In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Garmin to TrainingPeaks. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up any Garmin device and properly connect it to your TrainingPeaks account. This is going to be an official feature that is available for you to do at any time. So you only need to use your web browser. First, I recommend signing into your account on the TrainingPeaks website before starting. This isn't needed right away, however, it helps to get it out of the way now. So go to TrainingPeaks.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone and choose the option to log in, and then sign into your account using your username and password. Once you are properly signed in, you will be good to go, but like I mentioned, you can also just do this later. The actual website that you need to visit to establish the connection is going to be this one, trainingpeaks.com/account/Garmin Connect. If you are unable to find this website, you can simply look for the option to connect your account on Google, and you can find the official support website for Garmin where they have a redirect link. But once again, if you want to type out this URL, it is trainingpeaks.com/account/Garmin Connect. Now, in here, you will be able to connect your Garmin account to TrainingPeaks. This will give you access to your to the options to sync your workouts or activities from Garmin to TrainingPeaks, sync the Garmin index scale data and other daily metrics to TrainingPeaks, and finally sync planned structured workouts, aka training, from TrainingPeaks to Garmin. So make sure that you take this option and then connect. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you haven't signed into your account already, you will have to do it now for the applications to be able to exchange the data. Now, sadly, I don't have an active account on TrainingPeaks to be used to demonstrate this full process with, but from this point onwards, it is extremely simple, and I believe that you will be able to do it by following the instructions on screen. Just sign into your account, and if you were previously signed in, then you just have to authorize the connection, and everything will appear on your dashboard. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Garmin to TrainingPeaks. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.